Welcome back to another video, and in this video will be an unboxing and a further look into the recent release Jordan 5 top 3s. So let's get into the unboxing. So oddly enough, this shoe was scheduled to be delivered to me the 25th, which is a Thursday, and as I'm editing this video, I just got the shoe. I just filmed the unboxing, and it's the 23rd Tuesday. So shout out to USPS, I guess, for the early delivery. As we get into the unboxing, sorry for the scissors, the only thing I had to cut the box. I haven't got any packages recently, hasn't been anything good. There's the return label, just in case I wanted to return them. From the pictures they look pretty good, but it's always that in-hand first look that everybody anticipates. So I got out of the box, and here it is, your standard Jordan 5 box. Size 10, of course. You can read the label, the colorway, there it is for you. And there's the infamous Jumpman center. So like I said, here's your standard Jordan 5 box, but except now we have the Nike on the side. There's Jumpman like always, and all red, very vibrant. And as we get into the shoe, standard tissue paper, and there she is, Jordan 5 top 3. Let me close it real quick. From first glance, the shoe looks small. I don't know if it's just me. Aside from that, you can see the nice detailing in the wing, the cement wings, cement printed. Also see the 2-3 red with a black background behind it. Pretty nice shoe. Pretty nice shoe. Like I said before, it's small in hand. It is a size 10. It fit kind of snug, but nothing crazy. There's the front view of the shoe, all laced up, DS, of course. Let's see the heel, the nubuck, and there's that tongue everybody hates for some reason. The top 3 shoes gonna have another shoe's tongue. Go to the inside view. See the clear cage. I like the clear cage. It really gives the shoe a contrast from all the red and black on the uppers. And there's my favorite part of the shoe, the Nike Air, the big Nike Air on the back. Really great stitching on it. Great shoe. Great feature right there. And of course, gotta show also the icy blue bottom. We have the Jumpman, of course, from the Grape 5s. As we get into more detail, you see the Jumpman, like I said, from the Grape 5s. Icy blue bottom. Then we got the Nike right now from the Fire Red 5s. The OG Fire Red 5, not the recently released one. And final thoughts, I think the nubuck is pretty decent on these shoes. And the tongue is not that stiff as the recently Fire Red 5s. So I decided to include this clip-in literally the next day, like at around 8-9 p.m. I decided to see if they still had a pair, because I just kept looking at the pictures, thought they were really good. And as you can see from the screen recording, at first it said sold out, but then if you try again, it went straight to cart, which was weird. I thought they said they sold out for some reason. I was Foot Locker, and I'll try Foot Action to see maybe it was just like a glitch or something. And they still have the 5s on the main page. I'm gonna reattempt to see if I can add to cart. All sizes come out. Pretty much all sizes. I'll try the 9.5. and it went straight to cart. Mind you, this is the following day of the release date, and it's still added to cart with no problem. And as always, we'll get into the resale value of the shoe. Since it just released this past Saturday, I don't expect it to be high. As you can see, it's around 220, 210. Total payout 183. So as of right now, as of the 23rd, there's no really resale value, but it's anticipated to go up.